Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast. All right, we got a really quick request. Thank you for your support, William, for the request and your contributions to the channel. We're going to go over the PNR stock. I found one level. We're going to take a look at the 3-day candles. Keep this super simple, straight to the point. We'll give you a time frame, potential retracement level that it must stay above in order to continue the trend. The trend is to the upside, and also give you a potential price target within that time frame that we're going to disclose in this video. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action. Welcome new subscribers. Let's get right into it and dive right into the charts here. So today's November the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of PNR is going to be $78.15, slightly negative 1.5% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, short and sweet. Let's pull up the one line. So again, we're taking a look at the 3-day candles. Remember, the overall trend is your friend until the end. The market is making higher highs, higher lows. Towards the end of the video, I'm actually going to reveal how the indicator has spotted the buys and the alert levels, the buy potential opportunities and the sell opportunities. Most has recently, this market has made a higher low here at about $69. Okay, so the obligation for the buyers will be to take out this previous swing high at about $80. Okay, they just wicked at that level as of recently here. So basically, here's what I'm looking at, guys. If there is a retracement in the market, okay, because I'm noticing that there's a pretty large wick on this active 3-day candle right about here. Very large wick representing selling interest and also sell order clearance. Now, it depends on how this candle closes, because when you pull up the volume, there's a little bit of volume coming in, right? Not as much as I would like to see for an aggressive breakout, but nevertheless, it is buying volume. So basically, I would feel more comfortable if on this 3-day candle, I mean, maybe it won't happen on this 3-day candle because we only have about 2 hours and 3 minutes to close this active 3-day candle. So if it doesn't happen on this candle, that's fine. As long as it closes as a green candle, everything should be just fine. And I'm going to give you exactly what to look for on the 3-day time frame in order to determine if the market will continue higher. I'm going to explain that in great detail here in 1 second. So on this next 3-day candle, we need to see some sort of buying volume to exceed this orange line. Okay, so we need to see that in the market in order for this to be in terms of the way that I understand price action, okay, a sustainable push higher. But again, the trend is continuing to the upside. So there's only one level, guys, 75.82. If there's a retracement, that's the only level that I will look for daily and 3-day candles to close above in order to continue the overall trend, which again is to the upside. Then the time frame on this, let's give it like 2 to 3 weeks, assuming that there is a retracement. If there is no retracement and it just continues to blast off higher on this next 3-day candle, then I think that we will see that price target that I'll disclose here in 1 second within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So let me just give you exactly what to look for on the 3-day candles, assuming that it closes green and something similar to the way it is now. So what you're going to look for is the close of this 3-day candle. The close should act as support or some sort of launch pad, and then the market will propel higher, preferably with volume on the next 3-day candle. I'll repeat that again, guys. The close, wherever it closes, I'm not sure where this 3-day candle is going to close, but the close must act as a support level in order for this to be a sustainable move out of this previous higher low that happened in the market. Again, the higher low down here at about $69. Again, I'm just assuming the trend because, of course, it is your friend until it is not your friend. And right now, the previous level of resistance is really simple. It's 75.82. So if the sellers, as their obligation is to break, just get the price back below 75.82. If they fail to do so, then you just have to naturally assume the trend, guys. All right, to the upsides. Hopefully that explanation is good in terms of waiting to see where this 3-day candle will close, and then you have to use that level as a support level. If not, then then naturally the market seeks an alternative level of support, and typically it's the previous level of resistance. Not guaranteed to hold, but that's exactly what to look for on the 3-day time frame. Okay, now let's see if we can get a price target. What I'm going to do is very simple. Pull out my Fibonacci retracement level, take the swing high here at about $80 and measure it down to the swing low to pull out the 1.27 Fibonacci retracement or extension. And as I do that, the price target is going to be $83.36. So that would be the conservative price target to continue the trend within the next 2 to 3 weeks in this PNR instrument. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. So again, 1 day, 3-day candles I would focus on this instrument. You have the one potential back test level there on the screen for you, 75.82. You have the conservative price target. I think we did a pretty good job here. So that's it for this video. Again, thank you for the request and your support on the channel. And I guess the last but not least thing was I wanted to show you how well the indicator was actually pointing out the alerts. Now, this isn't like kind of I think some people do like daily participation. This isn't for that. It's kind of like long term. It's typically finding opportunities from 7 days up to 90 days. So it's kind of, I guess, a turtle play, one would actually say, with the lack of a better term. Back in February the 3rd, 2021 is where the alert came in, and then it actually had another alert over in May the 10th, 2021. I think it's like a 22% increase over the course of about 91 days. Again, it takes about 3 months. 7 days up to 3 months is typically the time frame in which it takes for these plays to play out. I know that may not be as quick as some may like it, but these are some pretty, I wouldn't say solid. They're pretty strategic in terms of how to orchestrate your entries and finding them, and that's basically what the indicator does for you. And of course, as of recently, if you're noticing, the last alert was back in October the 12th, 2021. Okay, so there is no alert just yet for any selling activity. It's still kind of waiting to get that alert, and yeah, let's wait and see what this is going to do. This gets 2 thumbs up for me. As long as it stays above 75.82, yeah, I can see this continuing higher, guys. Okay, so that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you don't mind supporting the channel before you go by leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it just below the video. And also leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your support. If you're new, we also explore the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send that out to you guys momentarily. All right, ladies and gentlemen, remember, you always must have a plan before you enter the market. Of course, keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.